Yes, Massive and crew, back once again with another video, and today we're going to show you how to do a time stretch on the AKAI S3000 XL. For those of you who don't know what an AKAI S3000 XL, it's an old hardware sampler we used to use back in the day to do a lot of the old jungle and also a lot of hip hop, loads of different types of genres of music. This is one of the early day samplers from back in the day, 1993, 1994, don't quote me on it. I've just literally set mine up with a lovely HXC emulator put in there, and I'm going through my disc and I found this cool break that is perfect for that sort of thing. So here we have the break, and as you can see it's playing as normal. So there you go. So literally I've got this breaks number 3 here. All you do is literally go to DSP, which is F5, and then this should be set as standard to 1000, the cycle length to 1000, and then make sure also here stretch zone, this is set all the way out to the full length of your break. Now what I would do first of all is I would trim your break to sort of 1 bar. Yeah, so there's a bit too much going on there, right? So I'll just go to that, go to edit, sample, edit, yeah, and then you want to go to trim, and then you want to bring your start point up to the beginning of the sample. That's my Uber Eats there, right, there you go. Zoom out, and then we just want 1 bar, man. We don't need too much bars on this. Right, let's have a look. So we just do, you could do 2 bar, probably would be alright too, but I'm just literally going to bring that in. So you just want 1 bar. There you go, like that. Press cut, trim. That way you're not sort of going to ram your memory up for no reason, right? So, boom, that's done. So then we go into sample, edit, DSP, which is F5. Then make sure this is set, stretch zone is right, that's right to the end. You don't want it sort of there because it won't work. And then you basically make sure your cycle length is set to 1000. That's a standard kind of thing. And then you've got different modes, stretch modes, but I just use cyclic for now. We'll go into that in another video. And press name on the sampler. As see as I do it there, press name on the sampler. Yeah, and then that brings up that menu. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to put like a couple of hashes there or something. That's what I usually do. A couple of hashes. So boom, boom. And I call that number, a couple of hashes, boom, boom. And I call that number 1. Yeah. Just delete that back. Press number 1. That's done there. Right. And then I'll just make sure that this cyclic, the time stretch factor is set to 200. Yeah. And then you press go. Go, which is F7, I believe. And then you'll see, look, it says time stretch in progress. Then once that's done, you can press the play button here to hear what it sounds like. And there you go. So that's how to do it. And then if you want to get that kind of time stretch which sounds like it's rising, but yet the timing is still the same, yeah, you can then go to here, and then you could go to time stretch factor and then take that, sorry, my bad, leave that on 200, and then go to cycle length, and then start taking that down maybe in increments of 200. So say where that says 800 or 1000 at the moment, you then make it 800, and then for each sample, each new sample, it says here new sample here, you're going to change the name of it, yeah. So this one's number 2, right? Also keep an eye on that cycle length. It should just be set to preset, and then once you do that, hit the go. It will time stretch again. Press play, and you notice it's gone up kind of like a semitone or so. Exactly the same thing again. I hit the name button, Bosch, call that number 3, bring it down 200, and then press go. And so on and so forth. I'll do a couple more. So that's number 3, number 4, go. And then number 5, And this is for all the breaks being exactly the same tempo, but just slightly up a pitch semitone each time. 2 0. There you go. 200. Then press go. F7, go. So now what you're left with, you go into there and you go into your sample menu again. And then what you should have is a series of breaks that are just all different pitches, which you can then put into your key groups. Smash the like button if you want to see me do a key group video where I set these up. I have actually got a key group, AKAI key group video somewhere. And there's lots more tricks you can do with the Timestretch, so also smash the like button and comment down below if you want to see me do more Timestretch AKAI advanced videos. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please smash the like button, turn on notifications if you want to see more of these type of AKAI videos. Take care, God bless, peace. I'm a everyday junglist.